How to delete a WhatsApp status. So all you have to do is to go here first to your app store and make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated. Now it's very important for you to update your application. That is because there are certain features that you can only access once you update your application, and there are viruses. There are bugs that can be fixed once you update your application. Now once it's updated, tap on open here, and here let's just go back here. On the bottom part, you will see these 5 options. Click on the updates here. On the past, it was called status, but today it is now called updates actually. Now, and as you can see here under my status here, I have actually created a story here. It actually looks like this. Now, let's say you want to delete that story, then what you're going to do is to click on this, and then you'll see the three dots here, and tap on delete. And the other way to do that is to click on the story itself, and then on the upper right you'll see 3 dots. Click on that and tap on delete, and then delete status update. And basically you have now successfully deleted a WhatsApp status, and that's how you delete a WhatsApp status. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.